This fish has a secret. No one had ever seen its head intact. Meet the barrel-eye fish. In the Pacific Twilight Zone, it hovers, motionless. Its skull is transparent, a fluid-filled dome, pressure equalized with the ocean. At the surface, the dome bursts. Those dark spots on its face are not eyes. They are nostrils. Its real eyes sit inside its skull, glowing green, staring up. It hides beneath siphonophores. 10 meters of stinging tentacles and steals their prey. The dome shields it from the sting. When something passes above, its eyes rotate forward inside its head, and it strikes. It watches the world through the top of its own skull.